This is the longest label chain I've been able to print at one time. Hey guys, editing mode Melissa here. I realized that when I was filming this video, I did not really explain what happened. So I posted a video on TikTok about how I make my stickers at home, and a response video that I posted after that got a little bit of attention. It's somewhere between 10,000 and 12,000 views right now. And in response to that mini viral episode, I ended up selling quite a few of my sticker kits. I completely sold out of what I had in stock. So it was about 20 sticker kits, and my sticker kits consist of 10 sheets of Online Labels weatherproof matte sticker paper and 10 sheets of Origard 210 laminate. It is a matte laminate that goes on top of the sticker paper that you print your sticker on so that it seals in the ink, making it water resistant. These are the materials that I found to work really well for me, and I've been using them for close to 9 months now. My sticker kits are currently out of stock at the moment. I am planning to restock them soon, and I will let you know via my newsletter or my email list when they are back in stock. Make sure you check the description box below if you are interested in signing up to be notified. So in this video, you're going to see me getting the laminate cut from my bulk roll. You're going to see me packaging them, putting them together, doing all of the stuff that I need to do to get these sticker kits out the door. I had a product go viral that had a limited quantity available, so I was very lucky in that I didn't have to go crazy and stay up at all hours of the night to get all of my orders out. Not that I'm saying that that wouldn't be lovely, but it was just really nice to be able to know that I had an end in sight and I only had a few orders that I needed to package. But going viral on TikTok is amazing, and TikTok has been an absolutely amazing resource for my business. I cannot recommend it enough. If you guys aren't on TikTok yet, what are you doing? Head over there, make sure that you follow me, and I will try my best to follow you back. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy this video that I have put together for you, and if you have any questions, make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and I will try and answer them for you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so I completely forgot that I was filming a time lapse. I got onto TikTok, say hi to everybody, and work on making orders, and I got completely sidetracked. We are going downstairs to cut some more laminate for our sticker kits. I was able to make enough for 11, but I need 7 more. So we're gonna go down and cut some more laminate right now. Hey you. Come on. You got an ice cream cone? Oh, yummy. Have convinced my I've convinced my mom to help me cut the laminate, and now I am getting all of the packing things that I need to get these orders shipped out, so I can pack some of them up now and get a jump start on this. So cue another time lapse. sorry for the noise. I know it's loud. It's my air conditioner because it's pretty warm. Here's my stack of orders that I got through today. There's 15. They're heavy. They're like probably anywhere between 10 to 12 ounces each, and there's a couple of, there's 120 and 130 ounce in there somewhere. So I got all the labels printed out for that. This is the longest label chain I've been able to print at one time, and it makes me so flippin' excited. If you guys are in this stack, thank you so much. That's amazing. I'm so excited. I filmed a video that I need to edit, and I need to put a special QR link for, so I can put it into the packages inside each package, because it's going to be all about tips and tricks for using my sticker kit. So hopefully these people that have ordered can get the most use out of it as possible. So I need to edit that and find a link for it, which I can't get the link until I edit and post the video on YouTube, so I can get the YouTube link, unless I do it on my personal page and embed a video. I think I might actually be able to do that on my website, add a page, and then I have the link there, and then I can just embed the video onto that page. That might be what I have to do so that I can just get these all sealed up and ready to go. So I am going to get all of these shipping labels onto these packages, and then I'm going to figure out if that page thing's gonna work, print those as stickers, and stick them to the inside packages so that they can just scan the QR code with their phone and watch my recommended tips and tricks on how to use the sticker kits. And then I'm gonna relax. It's 8:15 p.m. so you know, it's not too bad, but I have a lot to do tomorrow because this is all I did today. I had a lot of laminating to do and counting of sticker sheets. There are over 200 pages of laminate and over 200 pages of sticker paper in this stack. That's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this up and then figure that thing out and print those stickers. I'm gonna finish this and then relax. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was my day. It was a lot of leaning over the table to pack the orders, leaning over tables to cut out the laminate. My back is killing me right now, but it had to be done, so I did it. I only got about half done today. I'm going to do the rest this afternoon or this evening. Later tonight I'm going to be working quite a bit of overtime today. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed that really quick video about me going micro viral and packing some sticker kits. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!